Welcome back, my friends. What an incredible time to be alive. Stupid people, losers, idiots, lazy, people that watch the magical TV box. Magical TV box! Tell me! They all think the world is ending. Huge market gap down. Ugly last week. Oil prices exploding. Food prices exploding. But guess what, my friends? Penny stocks. Thank you to AERC. Golf clap for AERC. Changed the world. RDBX shook up the world. And listen, it's bad. Every single piece of economic data is terrible. It is bad. It is ugly. I am not a Pollyanna, but I am a realist. And at the end of the day, listen, you've heard me say it before. You can cry about gas prices. You can cry about food prices. But odds are, there's nothing you can do about it. Sucks. Nothing you can do about it. Well, you can run for office, vote for me in 2024. But even then, when I get elected, not if, when I get elected, I will be, you remember Blazing Saddles? Mongo? You know, I will be just a pawn in the game of life. Just a small cog in the machine that it grinds us all into oblivion. But the point I'm making is, listen, trade penny stocks. Okay? AERC, RDBX, all these things are in play. You know, hey, $200 to fill up your truck. I don't know who decided to put a 40-gallon tank in my Tundra. $200 to fill that thing up, but hey, make $200 this morning on some crappy penny stock. Make $1,000, make $5,000. I mean, hey, that's what you can control. Okay? You can't control any of these other outside inflation and food and all this stuff. Maybe start a garden. There you go. But that's my thing. Whine and cry and complain, or focus on yourself and focus on things that you can control. All right, that being said, RDBX, man, if you watch the weekend watch list, you know, or I should say the weekend watch list feature, I really deliberated between RDBX and AERC. They were very much the same, you know, very much the same. At the end of the day, all they are, 4 letters, float rotation, and short stuck, okay? Remember, RDBX, this isn't about DVD rentals anymore, okay? And this is the concept we talked about. Listen, RDBX was about DVD rentals in April, okay? Now, it ain't about that. And that's one of the things I want you to understand, and we go over in the Steady Trade team all the time. Okay, I'm doing 3 webinars today. You want to talk about getting better? Okay, you got 3 webinars today if you're in the Steady Trade team. Not one a week, not one a month, not one every now and then. My number one goal is to make you a better trader. 3 webinars. Anyway, the point is RDBX is not about DVD rentals. It's about the short squeeze. And this thing's a freaking dip and rip. I don't care if this thing opens at $25. It's a dip and rip. And I am way behind on my notes. I'm so ranty. But I know I already said it, and I promise I will move on. But the whining and the crying, you know, whining. I mean, and again, I said it. I think that it is absolute. I keep these PG, okay? It's hard to keep it PG when I'm talking about fuel prices and food prices and inflation, okay? But you can, again, it is terrible, especially for poor people. I mean, that's the worst thing that drives me nuts. Here, this current administration is supposed to be all about the little guy. They're punishing the little guy. Some guy barely getting by, trying to get to his job, trying to feed his kids, living under this environment versus 2.5 years. Anyway, RDBX, DNR, I don't care how high it opens. It ain't about DVD rentals. No mo. It's about the squeeze and idiots. AERC, same. beautiful. Ooh, look at that double toppy. Ooh. Man, I know I've been on this lately, and you're probably sick of hearing me talk about it. But man, who out there sees Husa? Who out there sees Jan? You know, where's my stylus? I think I threw my stylus. Ooh, me. I see something I like, man. All day in play. 1350, baby. So those are my two number ones. Let me go to questions. I know I'm supposed to answer questions, but love that 1350 area. Dawn. What's dawn? We're virgin on the. Why did I see dawn and want to sing Age of Aquarius? Oh, geez. Oh, hey. Oh, only 100% runner. People want to talk about the stock market crashing. People want to talk about the end of the world. Meanwhile, I didn't even see 100% crappy biotech runner. I was too fixated on RDBX and AERC. Oh, my God. I just... Move on. Move on, Tim. Move on. Trash biotech. Relatively low float. Big breakout. Has news. 945 dip and rip. Well, standard rules. Buy in pre, sell in pre, or safe trade 945 DNR. Well, it's only up 100%. Lame. EKSO. To me, keep in mind, this is another thing we've been talking a lot lately. My focus today is on the multi-dayers, okay? And a lot of you are probably sick of me. Probably 99% of you are sick of the repetition, but I'm telling you, it's just simple concepts. Trading is a lot of simple concepts combined together that create something complex, okay? But my focus is on the multi-dayers. That's that new term I made up versus the day oneers. Dawn, day oneer. Not that that's a bash. It's just we've seen the biggest squeezes in the day twoers, day threeers, day fours, day fivers. So EKSO, news, former runner, crappy chart. It's the same thing. Not the best volume, It's not bad. I don't know. I still go back to my day fivers. Well, day 5. It's like day 500 for RDBX, and it's day 7 for AERC. Amazon. I posted, the video got posted, right? Amazon. My friends, you're probably watching on YouTube. I try and I try and I try and I fail every single day. It didn't get posted. Maybe it'll get posted later today. Anyway, I do have a plan on, I did a whole video on how to trade Amazon this week. It's probably going to go live later today. I thought it was going to go live over the weekend, but anyway, risk off of 104, 110 breaks is the short answer. EFOI doing anything? Who cares? 100,000 shares traded. IMPP. Breaks of 1. Ooh, nice. Breaks of 1. I like that. $1 levels on IMPP. And third side oil is going to reverse. Thoughts on oil reversing? embarrassing. Like oil is going any lower anytime in the next 2.5 years. I try. I just try. Man, I try really hard. Get up at 5 a.m., say my prayers, eat my vitamins, get a good breakfast, work out, drink 6 pots of coffee, take my Alpha Brain, stay hydrated. I try as hard as I can. Jivo's dead. All right, what is the number one? Dawn, RDBX. I'm going to go with RDBX, and I know you might say I'm crazy. And it might be crazy, but I mean, the biggest thing I'm going to say with RDBX is we're at basically 52-week highs, and it's like day 500 of the squeeze. Now, Husa gapping up. So I'm going to go with RDBX as my number one currently. The high day is 18. I would trade it off of that. Probably a moving target. Watch for the chat pump. Would not surprise me to see the chat guy get this. Have a great day, my friends. And check out, remember, I am still live every single day in StocksToTrade Advisory. Alex should drop the link. Also, check out the Steady Trade team. It's the best mentorship program on the planet. And have an amazing day. But, and again, Dawn. So all the three mains, AERC, RDBX, and Dawn. I'm going to lean towards the multi-dayers versus the day oneers, but that's not a bash against Dawn. Not at all. So, all right. Have a great day, my friends. And we will see you next time. Oh, I almost played music. I almost forget when I'm on YouTube. Can't play the music because then they'll take your video down. So anyway, all right. Have a great day. And oil's going so much higher. But listen, there's your tip. Buy a 10,000 gallon tank and fill it full of gas. Well, of course you can't even do that. You can't even do that. The worst part about all this ethanol gasoline, you can't even store it. Thanks. Speaking of the government wisdom, they put all that ethanol. I was going to suggest you be happy to buy some gasoline at $5 a gallon, which you would be. But if you do buy a 10,000 gallon tank, it goes bad in like 6 months. So good luck. Have a great day, my friends. We'll see you next time.